Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm cornering him. Oh, no. Yeah, oh, that's a good move. Hey, guys, we're back at the farm today talking about the versatility of the Kubota KX018. And we're going to talk about a problem you may have run into that's got a simple solution. Today, we're going back to visit with our customer on his property who's using the KX018 in unique ways.
So that's what this looked like right here. So you couldn't see the pond from here because you had all this overgrowth going around.
Yeah.
So I used this machine just like you see here to go around and clear this section so that you could see.
So you took all the the overgrowth and overburden and just kind of cleared it away.
Just clear it out. And I mean, it was just me with the machine reaching down there and getting it out. Like I had to, some of the bigger stuff I had to cut first.
Sure.
And then I would just have my brother down there put a strap around the brush and then just pick it up with the machine, pull it out.
I mean, that's great. I mean, what a difference it makes to have this whole clearing here and the fact that this can reach down where it does to get that stuff out of there.
And then I usually go a little further, just, being cold, I don't know what's frozen or not, so I don't want to get in there. But I mean, down there, that's where the horses walk right down and drink water right from over there.
Yeah. So one of the common questions that we have at First Choice Equipment is, hey, Wes, we've got an excavator here and it's turning over. I think there might be a battery issue. It's not your battery. You might want to check out the kill switch. You're in your unit and you're trying to start it. And as you can hear, it's just not starting. It sounds like a 1979 Chevelle. Very simple solution. Right behind the key on the backhand side, you have your emergency kill switch. If you have someone that's incapacitated or they're moving a machine and it's become a dangerous situation. A lot of times, way back here, sometimes someone brings their lunch with them. Someone maybe like me brings their lunch, drops it in the back, and basically the kill switch gets engaged. And it's right back here. All it is just pressing it down, which is what I just did. And then all of a sudden, you're starting up again. Really simple fix.
I almost called Wes angry, like, hey man, the machine you sold me is
piece of
busted,
crap.
yeah. And then I saw the red button, I'm like, what is this? Flip it the other way, started right up. So it was a good day when I figured that out. Right here, this fence, you couldn't see it. It was falling over. It just overgrowth.
Yeah, I could see the grass line kind of, right?
Yeah. All this brush right here, I used this machine right here to clear all of that. You can see all the brush that I pull out of there.
So all that pile was pulled out by that 18.
Yep. I mean, this fence wasn't here, this section, so I ended up putting this here.
So you used your auger attachment on the 18, drilled down, put these fence posts in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so this thing's like a jack of all trades for you.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's essential for having a farm. I mean, the work that it's allowed me to do here, you know? I mean, I own the machine. It's part of my work tools, but I use it for personal use here all the time.
Yeah. So you have it for business use in the city, technically, and then out here on your farm.
Yeah. So then this here is where we really go swimming. Usually we go around, we hang out over by that tree.
Yeah.
And then that's where my kid hangs out while we're swimming, because he was not
Did you put that swing there?
Yep.
It's so beautiful, man. This is like a slice of heaven. I'm not kidding you.
And this right here is where I had a huge ditch. I mean, huge. That was a peninsula there. You couldn't really get to it. I built this up. There was logs. You could not walk through here. I mean, trying to walk through here was...
all overgrown.
Overgrown, yeah. And, little by little, I just started using the machine. And I think it was over 2 weekends that I clear everything out. It's just massive stuff that this machine just picked up and carry it right through here.
Yeah.
I mean, I have so much stuff here that...
And you did it without a thumb.
Without a thumb.
That's
that's
insane.
I just picked it up and curled it up enough to pinch it against the arm. So
Joel, I know that I sold you this equipment, but what you don't know is growing up in the mean streets of Greenwich, Connecticut, I learned a thing or two. See, you don't want to make eye contact. See, and right now he's making eye contact with me, which I know right away that's a sign of aggression. So I'm gonna have to take him down. I'll just try from here. Where's he going? Oh, he's going to the bathroom. Perfect time. Okay, buddy. Wow, he's faster than he looks. Come on. Oh, see what I'm doing here is I'm putting them in, I'm cornered them. The rope's not long enough. Oh my God. We had a lot of fun out at Joel's farm seeing how he uses his KX018. If you want us to come out and take a look at how you're using your machine on a job site, please leave a comment below. We would love to come out and see how you guys are working smarter, not harder. Don't forget, we're a full line sales, service, and parts dealer for Kubota and Gale. See you next time.
First Choice Equipment. We're not just building your community, we're also part of your community.
You know, he deserves everything he has. And it's all because of the Kubota KX018.